y'all, it's DeeDee. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button for all my return subscribers. Thank you. Okay, so today's video is going to be a haul. So I went to Homegoods and I didn't think I had bought that much stuff, but it looks like it's more than what I thought. So I'm gonna try to get through it as fast as I can and also give prices. So the first one is this cute little outfit for Callie, a sweatshirt, and this, look at this little skirt. Cute, too cute. And this was $19.99. Okay, next I got this t-shirt that says historically black. Very nice. And this was $9.99. Then I got this shirt. This shirt is so cute. Look at these colors popping. I can't wait to like wear it in springtime and roll up the sleeves. And so this shirt was $19.99, and the brand says Beach Lunch Lounge. I've never heard of that. Anyways, so then I got this really sophisticated vest. Really cute, y'all. And I tried it on in the store to make sure I could wear it. And I wish y'all could see these buttons, like see the detailing on the buttons. 10 out of 10. Do you hear me? And this vest was only $24.99. I thought it was gonna be a lot more than that, but $24.99. But next in the haul, I have this. It says Fleece Factory Art in Motion, but this camouflage sweatshirt. Okay, so it looks like it runs big because this is a small, and I'm typically a large. I typically get a large in tops, sometimes a medium, just depends on how it's made. I just don't like tight shirts. But this is a small because I actually had picked up a medium first, and it was like way too big. And then I was like, surely I don't wear a small, but yes, I do wear a small. It's so cute on. I feel like I should show y'all what it look like on, but I really don't want to mess up my hair. But at this point, it is what it is, and it's very warm. Look how cute it is, girl. I can't wait to wear this with some cute little jeans. I don't know how I'm gonna style it yet, but I think it's really cute. Okay, next we have this graphic tee with the Bronco on it. Very cutesy. This was only $12.99. Now I have some light color camo pants that I'll probably wear this with. And then I have some like tan Jordan 1, some low ones. I'll probably wear this. I don't know what this stuff. Oh, I got Cam some underwear. I don't even remember buying these. I just be throwing stuff in the buggy. 3 packs of Calvin Klein underwear for $10.99. Oh, it looks like I was buying work shirts. Okay, so I got this shirt. It has a zipper on it in the front. Very comfortable material, okay? Very easy breezy. And I have a lot of shirts in this brand and Klein. This shirt was only $19.99. And so this will be like a go-to shirt for work. Because when I'm going to work, I ain't trying to do a whole lot. I'm just trying to look presentable and not look crazy. Next we have, ooh, this is cute. Another shirt that I got from work. This is a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Dang, the sign's so small you can't even see it. Yeah, a Tommy Hilfiger shirt. Very cute, casual. I probably would wear this with some jeans or some khaki pants. And this was $19.99. Yes, $19.99. And then, oh, I got this for Adrian. What did I get this for? Oh, wait, it's two, let me see. Where is the tag? This was an extra, it's an extra large tall because Adrian is 6'4". So the extra large tall actually fits better sometimes than the 2X. But I just got him like a nice casual, you know, shirt to wear like if we're gonna go out to eat or if we're going somewhere nice. I'm trying to think, why did I get this? Because always when I go to Homegoods, I feel like I can never really find anything for him because now the sizes are too small. But I'm not sure why I bought this. Maybe I just bought it because I thought it looked nice and he needed another shirt like this. I don't know, but it's supposed to be like the wick type material. Did I say how much it cost? I can't remember. Anyways, I don't know, I couldn't find the price of it. Child, I don't know how much this was. If I had to guess, I would say like $24.99 maybe. Yeah. This was the showstopper. This was $34.99, and it's from a company named Joy, I guess, Joie. It's like a, I'm gonna have to stand up and show y'all so y'all can get the full thing. Look at this. Look at this. Nice quality. This is something that you can wear with like a cute black dress and just throw it on and go. This is so cute. Look at that. It's almost like a sleeveless type blazer. Pretty much that's what it is, like a sleeveless type blazer. Now, somebody who is very petite probably could get away with wearing this as a dress. But I'm 5'9", between 190 and 200 pounds. I can't wear this as no dress, boo. Okay, next I got these microfiber hair turbans. I got two, like one for me, one for Callie, or I may just make these Callie's. And I got some It's a 10 Miracle leave-in that I can put on both of our hair. Like, I use this if I'm going to like straighten my hair, and I think I want to try this on her hair, even though I don't straighten her hair. When I do her little plaits, then I'm gonna try to put that on there. Then we got some jewelry. All about the jewelry. So I got this. This is a stack necklace. It was $24.99. And then I got these earrings for $12.99. And these earrings for $12.99 as well. Look how pretty these are with the gold trim at the top. And these were $14.99. Uh-oh. Look how pretty. And I think this is a bracelet. Yes. This bracelet was $16.99 because I'm all about the jingle jangle of it all. Look how cute that is. And then I got a piece of art for $16.99. So unique, so pretty. Look at this painting. It's not a painting. Look at this. It's like a, what is this? It's almost like it's sewn or something like that. But look at it. Look at the detail. And it's very, very soft. Y'all, it is so unique. So pretty. This was $16.99. I can't remember if I said it or not. Then I just got some hangers, nothing to see. And lastly, I got some more bathroom rugs. So I got a set of two for $19.99. So like the small one, like shower, this is the shower one, and then this is the one for the tub. I wish I could see how thick they are. They are so thick, and I cannot wait to use these. These are for our bathroom. Because the ones in the kids' bathroom, I think they're getting kind of old, but they're not as old as ours. I think that's it. If I had to like pick my favorite finds for today, it would definitely be this art piece would be one. And then the next one probably would be either the camo sweater or the vest blazer. Not the little jacket, but the long one. I feel like those are probably my favorite items. But yeah, what's crazy is I just been going through stuff, putting stuff in my bucket. I don't remember even buying all this stuff, y'all, until I just pulled it out. I don't even want to know how much it was. But yeah, so anyways, that's my haul from Marshall/HomeGoods. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment and tell me what was your favorite piece that I got today. And so until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.